Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to show you how to change the Act for Outlook database. So we've got a couple options over here. One is called the Act for Outlook settings, and I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, what you're going to see is a box is going to pop up, and it's going to ask me to find the Act database. Now, what you have to do is you have to navigate to where your database is located. And then once you navigate to it, select it, type in your username, and if you have a password, type in your password, then click on log in, and you'll be all ready to go. This is a good thing to know if for some reason your database changes, if something happens on your end and you want to point it towards a new database, that is how you do it. It's really all you got to do. Click on log in and it will log in, and then you should be good to go. If you find that this has not been recording something for whatever reason, one of the nice things is we can go backwards a little bit. Reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to show you how to do that. My name is Tony Holowitz. Have a great day. Thank you.